Okay, I've been hearing from so many of you who are looking for other options for fabric now that Joann's is gone, and I've got a suggestion that may not be on your radar yet. Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jen. This channel is all about making sewing fun and approachable, and I want to delve a bit more into this particular brand that I've been purchasing fabric from for a while. I feel like I've been doing it for long enough that I can give you a good assessment of my experiences with this brand, and I'm referring to Rifle Paper Co. Now, all right, I'm gonna pull up their Instagram. This company has been around since 2009, and they are very well known for their illustrated paper goods, gifts, home decor, and accessories. But I was really unaware until probably a few years ago that you could purchase fabric directly from the company on the website. And I was like, oh, that's cool, because I really like their prints and I like the stuff they sell. I think it's really cute. I would say the vibes are very maybe Vera Bradley mixed in with a little Lily Pulitzer, and I would say Liberty of London. A very unique style. They have a lot of cool floral prints, different holiday or seasonal fabrics, and also I would say things like little animals or just very elegant, classy vibes. I love all of the fabrics, and I just think they're constantly also coming out with new, really cute designs. By the way, I will leave some links down below in the description box. These are affiliate links, but this is absolutely not a sponsored video. I purchased everything myself. This is a totally honest review of my experience. I forgot how I stumbled upon the website, but I noticed they had under the home section, they have fabric sections. And currently they sell 3 different types of fabric: rayon, linen, and cotton, which is basically a quilting cotton. The widths are between 43 and 44 inches wide, so pretty standard. I wanted to double check because sometimes rayons come in a wider backing, like 55 inches, 60 inches, but this is pretty standard. I think they're a good value. And in fact, I just got in my latest order, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this now. All right, here's my little haul. I ordered 1 rayon fabric and 2 of the metallic canvas. Oh, they gave me a little card here. I ordered 1 yard of each, but you can get multiple yards if you'd like, and they will be continuous. I really like sewing with the rayons. This print came in multiple colors. It's called Juniper Forest, and this is the color Evergreen. I just love the rich colors and the design. I think it's super cute. I might try to make some purse scarves with them. I'm not really sure. So I got a yard. I didn't want to go too overboard here. All right, next up are the canvas prints. My order included this little card. It says share your work. Use the hashtag RiflePaperCoFabric on Instagram. And on the back side is care instructions. This will be really helpful. The dyes used in these fabrics are reactive dyes. Therefore, colors are stable and will not release excess dye. Pre-washing fabric is not necessary. It says if you choose to pre-wash, wash in cold water and damp dry. Complete the drying process by air drying. This washing and drying method will retain the finish of the fabric and will meet the standards of quilters who do not want to pre-wash fabrics and those who do. Okay, so it says basically don't put the fabric in the dryer and just put it in cold water. Okay, that would make sense. And for garment fabrics, if you're making clothing, that might be something you want to do, is just pre-wash it in case there's shrinkage or something like that. All right, let's bust into the Easter fabrics. I got these on a pretty good deal because it was after Easter. If you're not aware, I am a bunny owner, so I love bunny fabrics, and I just thought this would be super cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Obviously, probably some Easter projects for 2026, I suppose. And I got this in sort of the cream background and the pink background. So, ooh. I'm so excited about this, honestly. So this is the canvas, and I'll unfold it a bit so you can see the thickness. It's not super thick, but if you're going to use this, like say you're making bags or pouches or something, you probably wouldn't need interfacing for the canvas. I think it's a pretty nice weight. I like the drape of the canvas, and they have the best salvages. I need to start saving my salvages and doing a project with them. I do have a few that I held on to. Just the salvages of these are so adorable. Let's see the salvage on the rayon. Let's see. From the English Rose collection. Super cute, screen printed in Japan. But yeah, the rayon it's a nice fine fabric and it drapes nicely, but it's also a little bit easier to work with than other rayons I found. This would actually be really nice for dresses or blouses. Got a bit of a matte finish. It's kind of silky, but it doesn't feel cheap. The quality of these fabrics are all very nice. And I find that this is a little bit easier to work with than some other slippery fabrics that can be notoriously frustrating, if you know what I'm saying. And to compare, this is a really beautiful metallic quilting cotton print I picked up in a separate order. This was from a holiday collection. All right, also screen printed in Japan. This is called Holiday Classics. I fell in love with the mint background and the gold print. Just to die for. And even though this says holiday, it's really not super holiday, so nobody would really know. So you could really use this for anything. And I just think this is so pretty. And we'll do a quick recap. We've got the rayon, canvas, cotton. I've probably placed a handful of orders over the past few years. Seamless, fantastic customer service. I've never had any issues with any of my purchases. And I like that you can select different lengths. You can get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 yards. Sometimes they do sell out though. But yeah, everything comes really nicely packaged and the shipping is good. So in my book, I'm a very happy customer. I would certainly order from Rifle Paper Co. again. And here's also what I want to tell you. I would say the prices, they're kind of mid-range. They're not the most expensive. They're not the cheapest. I think the quality is great. I've been super happy. I've been sewing with the fabric, no issues. And if you sign up for the email list, keep tabs, and they have really fantastic sales. So I've gotten some really good deals on stuff and free shipping promotions. So keep an eye out and monitor the website because you'll get some good deals, especially like after the holidays. So I bought this Easter fabric after Easter and I got a really good deal on it. And they have a lot of site-wide sales. And of course you can also pick up stuff that's not fabrics. You can buy some little gifts, you can buy candles, pens, all kinds of stuff. Some of the stuff is really adorable and you can also get it to match your fabric. So you can make things out of the fabric and you can also get matching items in that same print. So I just wanted to, put this on your radar if it's not already. Rifle Paper Co. I just think it's a great brand and the product is really good. The fabric's absolutely fantastic. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this print, but I've loved everything I've gotten from them and I've been super happy with it. So let me know if you were aware that you could purchase fabric directly from Rifle Paper Co. And again, I've got some links down below in the description box. And let me know if you'd like to see me go into different fabric manufacturers or, I also have like a Liberty of London collection I could share as well. But lots of great stuff from Rifle Paper Co. I just wanted to let everybody know about it because I know a lot of you are looking for other places to go. Anyways, check out some of the other videos here at the Sewing Report. I've got lots of different offerings from product reviews to tutorials, how to use a sewing machine, lots of stuff. You can also subscribe to my news and commentary channel, Sewing Report Live, where I keep you updated on what is going on in the world of sewing and crafts. I am Jen with the Sewing Report. I will see you again in the next one. And remember, whatever you're doing, make it fun.